Guys, welcome to another vlog. Before I get into this video, before I start my video, I want to say special birthday greetings to two people. Early birthday greetings going out to Peter Palagdari. I hope I pronounced your name right. He is celebrating on the 24th of August, and this is coming from all your buddies at Air Liquid. I know you guys, well, I've been told that you guys are big supporters of the channel and you will never miss any videos. Thank you all so much. I hope you all are all subscribed to the channel. Also, belated birthday greetings going out to Jason. He turned 10 on the 8th of August, so happy belated birthday going out to you, honey. I was told by your mom that you are a big fan. Actually, you know, I don't like to call people fans, but you, I was told, are a big fan of me as well as the channel. So thank you so much, and all the best wishes going out to you. So I also did a new intro, so I am looking to get some feedback. Tell me what you guys think. I absolutely love it. I think it's about time I put my child on the intro. So let's get into the video. Starting things off with Leo's food, right? This is lamb and beef and rice, because you all know it's cute that the baby is allergic to chicken, and you're waiting for your food patiently. Yes, mommy, I'm very hungry. Please don't leave me. Piggy, mommy, baby. All right, so it's feeding time, right? And I want to show you all one more time how obedient he is with food. So I'm going to rest this down here. And he will not eat until I say eat. And the back is a thank you. And I am in charge of breakfast this morning, so we're going to start off with some nice coffee. For a nice lovely homemade lunch.
Homemade, you make?
Well, homemade food, but it is bought.
What's it down now? 12.
And this?
I have nothing for the morning.
Nasty habit.
I just had some tea make.
Yeah.
Turmeric, ginger.
What I had a salad.
In it.
Okay, well, I have to tell you what piece you're getting this one.
Yeah,
Tell me how it tastes then.
Is this good at yours? You know it tastes good.
You know, I must have my raw pepper on the side. Alright, so for those of you who followed me on Instagram, you would know that my account, well, is no longer active. It was hacked from the Facebook side and it automatically got pulled down, right? But I have a new account, so if you want, you can follow me back. No pressure. So a lot of people message me and ask me, you know, how do you eat like that and still maintain one size? And my answer to them is like, I've said this before, don't get mixed up, don't get wax with my YouTube videos. I mostly film my videos on a weekend, and that is the time we splurge, that is the time we eat unhealthy, that's the time we party, we drink, you know, we do things that we would not do during the week. Well, I wouldn't do during the week. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would see, because I post like daily behind the scenes, like what it is I eat, my lunch, my breakfast, my shakes and stuff. So today I am going to dedicate a video. Again, I did one before, but I feel I need to do a little refresher video as to what I eat during the week. Now, I don't eat, I wouldn't say I eat clean, because you know I'm not that disciplined, but I do eat as good as I can, and I do a good job. So that is the balance. You know, I always say everything in moderation. Life is all about balance. So I am totally disciplined during the week, and on weekends, yeah, I just go haywire. So right now I have my breakfast shake, and this is something that I have every day, Monday to Friday. I will show you guys what it is I have for lunch as well. So I hope you all enjoy this video, and feel free to let me know if you want to see more videos like this. You know, I'll be happy to do it, because it is not one way that I eat all the time. Every week is different, right? So this week, this is what I'm going to be having. So enjoy and let me know what you all think. Leo loves corn. He loves corn. And I go and come out a hole in the morning. He don't even chew. Right, Ollie. So this is the final outcome of the salad. Look at that, how pretty! Very colorful and nice, and just a few ingredients. See? Carrots. So this is salad for the week. Topped off with this. So now it's off to Ian's meal, and he just wanted something simple, which is macaroni and mincemeat beef. Alright, so before we get into Ian's food, the main Leo here, my favorite Leo, has to get his food. Are you hungry, Papa? Yes, Mommy, what you think? It is 6:30 in the afternoon. I eat 12 hours ago. He's so patient, eh? I teach him patience for food even though he's hungry. Okay, well, I must say I boast about my child, but I'm just proud of how he's obedient now when it comes to food. Let's go! Right, so it's time for another time lapse. Cutting up the veggies. Alright guys, so this is the final look for his beef, and this is going to be topped with this macaroni. But I know it's looking plain and boring. I'm going to spruce it up a little bit. You all see who's my little helper? Sorry, you all see who just keep me company in the kitchen? My precious. It's mommy little precious. Alright guys, look at that. Always remember, Ian eats for bulking, and I eat for weight loss. So he eats to gain and I eat to lose. Alright, so here's the veggie patty. Alright, this is what it looks like. So I am just going to take one. Put it on my pan. Alright, the fun part. This is the assembling time. So this is how I put together my stuff. Can I help you? Can I help you, Leo? Right, so this is my salad here. And this is the veggie patty. So all I do is just like break it up, you know, small pieces, and just like sprinkle it all over. So that's that. Right? And all you know, all your girls are buy one get one free freak. So I saw this in the grocery today, so I had to pick it up. But I'm not going to use this. I am going to use my homemade garlic sauce. I made this from scratch, you guys, and it's tasty. This is actually, garlic sauce is actually my favorite dipping sauce. I can put this on anything. What is your problem, boy? What is your problem? And to add that little kick, all you know, you can eat without pepper sauce. So I'm going to add some this pepper sauce, real best. I bought this at Varsha's, yeah. It's really nice. And this just gets scented in here. Cover up. And that's lunch. So I'll split this into two. So I'll eat this 2 times. I usually eat small portions, but a good few times for the day. And I guess, well, you all know by now, breakfast is a shake. So in here I have some beets, pawpaw, banana. I usually use water, but I'm going to try, I'm going to mix it half and half with half water, half rice milk. As you can see, another buy one, get one free. This milk, really, really nice. I approve. I love it. You all might think rice milk does sound like icky, but rice milk is really nice. So I'm going to add some oats to this, some chia seeds, my milk, and I will show you my favorite thing in the world. These are like my 2 favorite things right now. All you know how obsessed I am with collagen, right? So this is the brand that I have been using for some time, and I am telling you all, I absolutely love it. This is 2 things I cannot live without: hair, skin, and nails on point. This I can guarantee will have your skin looking and feeling 100. So if you're all interested, message me on Instagram. I'll hook you all up. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed that. I know it was a bit different, but I just wanted to clarify, you know, I am not lucky. Some people are, but I am not, to be eating like that and still maintain one size, you know. Like I'll say, I had this work dress since 2017, you know, and we are in 2022. So for me to be wearing it still and have been wearing it all those years, which means I maintain one size, and it's very, very hard. It's not an easy thing to do. I am not lucky, you know, because there are days that I crave for certain things and I just say, you know what, I'll wait for weekend. So life is all about balance, as I always say. So I mean, we need to treat our bodies good, so our body in return will treat us good, you know. So that was it for today's video. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope you all are doing great. Have yourselves a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you guys in my next video.